上7:15，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺下午7點，颱風韋柏集結喺香港之西南偏西約180公里，即係喺北緯21.8度、東經112.5度附近，預料向西移動，時速約22公里，掠過廣東西部沿岸一帶。韋柏已經喺廣東省台山市登陸，並進一步遠離香港，但烈風至暴風程度嘅東南風仍間中影響本港部分地區。隨住本港風力逐步減弱，天文台會喺晚上7:40改發3號強風信號。韋柏嘅強雨帶仍然會喺今晚以及明日為珠江口一帶帶嚟狂風大驟雨，海面初時仍有巨浪及湧浪，市民請繼續保持高度警覺，遠離岸邊以及停止水上活動。喺過去1小時，昂坪、長洲及塔門分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時76、63以及53公里。最高陣風分別超過每小時120、74以及64公里。防風措施：風暴對於本港帶嚟唔同程度嘅破壞，四周嘅環境都可能充滿危機，市民必須保持警覺，以策安全。有關最新嘅天氣資訊，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分以及踏正嘅報導。
7:15 in the evening, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 southeast gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 7 p.m., Typhoon Whipper was centered about 180 km west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.8 degrees north, 112.5 degrees east, and is forecast to move west at about 22 km per hour, skirting the vicinity of the coast of western Guangdong. Whipper has made landfall over Taishan of Guangdong and is moving further away from Hong Kong. However, gale to storm force southeasterly winds are still affecting parts of the territory occasionally, with local winds weakening progressively. The observatory will issue the strong wind signal number 3 tonight at 7:40. The intense rain bands of Whipper will still bring heavy scully showers to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary tonight and tomorrow. Seas will still be high at first with swells. Members of the public should continue to be on high alert, stay away from the shoreline, and not engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nongping, Changchou and Tap Moon were 76, 63, and 53 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 120, 74, and 64 km per hour respectively. For the precautionary announcements, the tropical cyclone brought different degrees of damages to Hong Kong. There may be hidden danger. Members of the public should remain on the alert for assurance of personal safety. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours at 15, 30, 45 and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。